Hey guys, it's Miss Ward. Welcome to math class this week. For task 1, we're going to have a review learning target, something that we haven't done in a while. And that learning target is I can tell time to the hour and half hour. For our first activity, we're going to play a game of bingo. So here are the rules. You have a bingo card and you have bingo counters, and these go on your card. Before we even begin, you get one free counter that gets to be moved onto your card, just like this. Remember, it's easiest to click on something and put a box around it and then use the arrow keys if you're on a computer to move it. It's a lot easier than using the mouse. Now, we want to get 3 in a row, so we could get 3 in this column. We could get 3 in any of the 5 boxes in the row. We could get a diagonal of 3. And the way we do that is Miss Ward's going to call out a time, and you are going to pause the video and find that time on the card. So if I said 2 o'clock, you would pause it and look for 2 o'clock. Okay, did you find it? If we were playing, it would be right here, and you would get to move a chip there. But since we haven't started playing yet, I'm going to undo, and I'm going to switch over to the camera view so I can show you the times. Remember, after I read the time, pause your video, and then cover that time with a blue counter until you get 3 in a row. And when you get 3 in a row, you can say, bingo, and then the game is over. All right, here we go. Your first time is 6:30. Okay, if you think you found that one, we'll check at the end. Your next time is 1 o'clock. Your next time is 4 o'clock. Your next time is 5:30. Your next time is 11 o'clock. Your next time is 3:30. Do you have a bingo? Awesome. Let's go back and double check your work. Okay. Our first time was 6:30. That should have given us a chip right here. Our second time was 1 o'clock. Okay, sorry, I had an email pop up, so I had to edit the video. So 1 o'clock would have been right here. Our next time was 4 o'clock, so you should have put a chip right here. Our next one was 5:30. That one went right here. Then we had 11 o'clock. Does your card look like mine? And then we had 3:30. And that should have given us our bingo. Great job, you guys.